Welcome to Sailing Pu'uhonua. We are so excited because we just bought a new boat. We decided on an X-Charter Lagoon 440. She needs a little bit of work, but that's okay. Follow along while we get her back in the water, ready for cruising, living aboard, and chartering. You never know, you might sail around the world. Hope to see you out there.
And this is the only place we can go to eat. We're going to Hooters. Jeffy's very excited.
Oh, we really don't know what's going on with the windlass.
Yes, we do.
Well, we think it's solenoid, but we're not really sure.
Wiring.
Some sort of electrical or wiring issue. But quick summary about our progress today.
Well, in the last 24 hours, we've pretty much gone backwards instead of forwards. We discovered that all 4 windows in the hull are coming apart and need to be taken out and rebedded. So that's a couple days worth of work. The engines started, both of them started, which was good, but the water heater, the starboard engine communicates with the water heater for hot water, and the valve that holds the antifreeze and yada yada broke, and so we weren't able to do it, but they both started, so that was. Then we tried to install our new windlass that I rebuilt and discovered that there's something wrong with probably the solenoid, because the solenoid came with the boat. I had an electrician put it in. It's a Lofrans solenoid. He said we could probably use it for the quick windlass, but the quick guy, I called Quick, and they said it probably will work, but we have to test it, and we couldn't make the remote work, and we couldn't make the button at the helm work, so
that was frustrating.
that was frustrating. And so this is one of those days where a lot of projects, a lot of work, and not a lot of progress.
Right.
So I'm gonna have to stay longer and just fix it. And that's
All
it.
right.
Well, we'll sort out the windlass. It might mean just a new solenoid, but that's not a big deal.
Oh.
It's just a matter of getting it, and $300, and then it probably means a new handheld remote, which is another $300. But
Well,
whatever.
we need it.
I mean, it'll be all nice and new.
Can't pull up a anchor by hand.
No, not with a 1/2-inch chain. That's for sure.
I saw, oh yeah, it's a Neil. And then I've got this old katana. It's cool. I got an old jet ski and this one. Oh my gosh, I wonder how long that's been out of the water. Little Nomad, Dennis Point, Maryland. And then we got our boat. Just looking good. Their new boot stripe. Looks like there's a storm coming. Ooh, dark. Oh, I love these boats. They're so cool.
So we rounded Cape May. We got hit by a squall or a thunderstorm going around the corner, and we are struggling to get to Atlantic City. We hope to be able to get there by evening. We're gonna get a slip and try to keep going tomorrow. So engines seem to be doing good, knock on wood. It's been a struggle.